Welcome to Fuel for the Soul Season 3 with Darrius Garrett, where in just a few minutes, we reset the mindset, recharge the spirit, and refocus the heart. These are bite-sized messages with life-sized impact. Motivational Mondays to push you forward, Wisdom Wednesdays to steady your steps. No long lectures, just truth, encouragement, and fuel for the journey. Now, let's get into your motivation and wisdom with Darrius Garrett.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today, I want to simply take a moment to wish my oldest daughter, Sarai, a very happy 16th birthday. See, 16 years ago today, my life changed forever. Before she was born, I was hurting. I was bitter. I was lost in a place where I didn't see much good in the world, and honestly, I didn't see that much good in myself either. See, at the same time that she was being born into this world, my mother was preparing to leave it, battling lymphoma. And I remember feeling like everything I loved was being taken away from me. I had dreams of making it big one day just to take care of my mom because she sacrificed so much for me. And in that moment, I felt like I was losing everything. But God has a way of reminding us that even in our darkest moments, we're never left empty. Just like he promised a comforter in the Bible, he gave me one as well. And that comforter was my daughter. She gave me purpose. She gave me direction. She gave me a reason to live beyond myself. She turned a broken man into someone who wanted to stand up and be better and do better, not just for himself, for others as well as my family. Because of her, I chose growth over pain. Because of her, I chose responsibility over excuses. Because of her, I became a man that I could be proud of and my family could be proud of. And now I look at her today, and guys, she's strong, she's focused, and that girl is driven. She's in cheer, she makes great grades, and she's an entrepreneur. At just 15 years old, she built her own baking business called Sugar Rye, and it's almost selling out every day. Her work ethic inspires me, her discipline motivates me, and her spirit makes me so proud. She didn't just grow up, she grew into greatness. So on this Wisdom Wednesday, I want to simply remind you all of something simple, very simple and powerful. Life is beautiful, even when it hurts. Sometimes what feels like loss is actually the beginning of something that will really help save you. Love your children, pour into them, encourage them, be present. Your time is important because one day the same child that depends on you may become the very strength that you have to lean on later on. Sarai, sweetheart, thank you for changing my life. Happy 16th birthday. I love you more than words could ever express. Remember, guys, wisdom is not just about knowing what's right, but also doing what's right. Until next time, stay wise and stay inspired. God bless you all.
Thanks for tuning into Fuel for the Soul with Darrius Garrett. Follow, like, and share this podcast with someone who needs a word today. Connect with I am Darrius Garrett on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And remember, you don't need a perfect past to spark a powerful future. Stay grounded, stay grateful, stay fueled.